Everybody, Tim Bartz here, your Ford video guy with yet another video. Yeah, I'm rolling these videos out right now, but it's because I have some fun stuff going on because, you know, we're getting ready for Bronco Super Celebration in Tennessee. That is just around the corner. In fact, by the time you watch this, it's only a couple days. We'll see you guys there. So we do have something that came in. I've actually wanted to order this, and I ordered it. And it's been on back order, and I didn't think it'd be here this quickly, but I want to show you something that you know, Ford actually says on their site that is not available and not compatible with my Bronco. It says it's only available in the 25 model year and later. There's only 25 model year, but we're going to talk about this. So make sure you're subscribed with the bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of these videos. And let's go over this. Let's talk about this. So in 2025 model year, there's a new package that was available for the Bronco. A new, it's something that we did see on the Ford Maverick come out, and then now it's being put in the Ford Bronco, and it's called the FITS kit. It's Ford's Integrated Tether System. And this system, you guys just seen, it allows you to be able to do some different things with it. So it gives you different compatibilities, and you can 3D print things and stuff like that, but make some little compartments. So this little slot right here is their FITS system. And for the 25 model year, and they make this available as an accessory so you can order it. And again, if you're on Ford's website, it tells you it's not compatible with your vehicle. When you put your vehicle in, VIN number, whatever, when you're looking for accessories, it says it doesn't work with your vehicle. We're going to see if it does in this video, and because I think it will. And so this little kit here allows you to put different accessories in there, so you can swap things out. So I can put this little cup holder in there if I want, big cup holder into that slot. We can put this little storage compartment and everything, and they make a smaller little storage compartment. So let me show you where this goes on your Bronco. So again, this is something a lot of people in the Bronco world didn't know what's going on, but since I do cover the Maverick very well, I knew exactly what this system was and everything, and I really hoped they were going to put this on the back of the console too, but you know, that's fine. So basically this here would go right there. So looking at it, when I saw that, I was like, well, my Bronco has all those two screw holes. I bet you they line up, and surely in 25 model year, they didn't change the location of those bolts right there. So I really think it'll work. So we're gonna move some things around here. Let me move this cord out of the way for us. And we do actually have this little bag that we got, and we're gonna move that out of the way. And we're gonna test this out. Now it does take a T30 for us, so let's grab the T30. Should have grabbed that while I did this. I got that right here. This gives you instructions right here. Just remove the two screws from the handle, align it, and screw it back in. Yeah, okay, we're good. This in here is not difficult install at all. It's funny is Ford charges you 48 bucks to have a dealer do this for you, and I'm going to show you why you don't need a dealer to do this, and you don't need to spend $48 either. By the way, this package is if you get this kit from fordaccessories.ford.com, which is where I did get this, it is $90. Or you can use your Ford Pass points. So anybody out there looking to use some Ford Pass points, which is kind of what I was doing here, you can use your Ford Pass points for it as well. The taxes you cannot. I'm gonna pull this off. That's really loose now, didn't take much. So I'm gonna just use this to loosen it the rest of the way. But taxes are not, you have to pay taxes separate. You can't use your Ford Pass points for the taxes. But at least I was able to use some of my Ford Pass points on this to get this in. And again, this is super easy to install. I didn't get that one. So take the screws out. I might need to use this a little longer on this one here. Not enough of it sticking out for me to grab. There we go. Again, just take these off, take this off, and see this is here, this bag was on there. So we're taking this off, and we're gonna put this one on. Now, this in here you'll see is a little different than that one. It doesn't have those two little holes to line up into that. Maybe that's why they're saying it doesn't work, but yeah. Looks like the holes line up to me. So we're gonna get these put in here. Well, that one screws in just fine. And this one. Anyway, there we go. And I'm not sure if it's something I'm going to keep on here. We'll put it on for our trip on our way to Supercell. We'll see how the wife likes it. Oh, you know what? I forgot. I could put that bag back on. Got that screwed in there. Pretty good. We'll tighten her down. Real quick here. There we go. It is in place, so it goes right there instead of that. Now you'll know on 25 model year, they did away with this grab handle. They basically just put a plate right here where this is, and so it I think that's where they kind of got the idea that it made sense. But unless you have like the Black Diamond package, or you have a Sasquatch package, or a Badlands, otherwise you didn't get the grab handle. They took that away. And I'll be honest, I don't think my wife uses a grab handle too often. I don't when I'm in here. So this might work really well. So let me grab some of these accessories. More than likely, the one we're going to use the most is this cup holder. There's a lot of times where we want that extra beverage. And so that comes in, that'll come in handy. Maybe for trash, right? So we have this little one that just slides in here. So it slides in right like that. So you have that little one there. Kind of in there. There you go, kind of slides in there. You have this one here. There you go. Pretty good. So you have that one. And then you have the cup holder, which will probably, we'll find out. We'll see what the wife likes. But I'm thinking the cup holder. Now, the only thing, that cup holder does stick out a little ways. So, you know, that couldn't get in the way of your leg and such. So we'll see. But there you go. If you're looking for a little more storage, a little more accessories, you do have some options here for you. And yes, you can get this. So if you have a 21, 22, 23, 24, or 25 model year, you can order this fit kit from Ford Accessories. Like I said, mine was on back order. I ordered it, but within about 5 days, then it came available and shipped it, and I got it pretty quick. I did pay the extra $5 for getting it shipped quickly when it did come, because I was hoping I'd get it in time for this. And so here we go. So there you go. So this fit kit does look like it works on the older Broncos, even though the website says it doesn't. Looks like to me it does. What do you guys think? And even with this here, I could still put that bag on there. So if I want the cup holder, of course, I don't know why I would use it, because then it would be in my way. But there's an option. If you want to do that, you can still do that. See, I can still put that in there, but that would slide around. I could put that. Will that fit in the smaller one? Yeah, it'll fit in the smaller one if I want to do that. That's where we had our. We come back from the grocery store, go out at a restaurant, something we always like to sanitize our hands. But there you go. Ford's Fit Kit for the Bronco. Yes, it works. And so Ford, I think you need to update your website, because it does fit on the 21 through 24 Broncos. So I can't see. I have it screwed in tight. I'm not sure why you're saying it won't work with the others. It will. So if you want to check this out in person this week, we'll be at Bronco Super Celebration. Come find me. I'm not sure where I'll be. But if you want to see it, I am going to put a social media post on Instagram. So follow me there at Ford Video Guy. And if you want to catch up with me and see this in person and check it out in person and see if that's what you want to put on your Bronco, then let me know. And who knows, if that's something that we like and we decide we like for long, I might be giving it away. So just stay in contact with me if that's something you want. But yeah, Ford Fit Kit, there you go. So that might be something you might want to add to your Bronco as well. So looking forward to Bronco Supercell. Don't think I'm going to have anything else to go on this vehicle. We've got the camper background, got to get that all packed up and ready to go as well, so that we can head to Tennessee. And we are looking forward to having fun, to seeing people, meeting up with people again as kind of a reunion that we met last year. And we'll do a little off-roading. Going to hit Parsons Branch as well with a small group that wants to go and go along with me. We're going to maybe go off-roading on the special off-road trails they have. And we're going to go check out Bronco Off-Rodeo. I've been there before. My wife has not. So we're going to go check out Bronco Off-Rodeo, their open house Thursday night. We're going to be there as well. And yeah, we're going to have all kinds of fun this week. So really looking forward to it. Hopefully you guys will be there too. If not, make sure you're subscribed with the bell notification turned on, because I'm going to post some videos more than I did last year at Supercell. So check those out, and always make sure you follow me on my social, especially Instagram, Threads, at Ford Video Guy, and stay up to date on anything going on there. Thanks for watching this video. Appreciate you guys, and make sure you share this out. Share out the videos. Let people know if they want some fun, cool, different products on their Bronco that I've installed. You can check this out, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So till then, till next video, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.